Anong balita sa ating bansa? Magshi-shift na lang ako sa commentaries, no? Dati educational, some lecture pointers, pero ngayon commentaries na lang kasi naaayon sa panahon dahil malapit na naman ang eleksyon at namamayagpag na naman ang politika dito sa ating bansa. And the hottest and the latest issue today is about the PIDEA leaks, wherein they are conducting Senate inquiry to the committee of Senator Bato de la Rosa, the Public Order and Safety, at their resource speaker or resource person, I mean, is no other than the former agent of PIDEA, known to be Jonathan Morales. Okay, nakakatuwa lang kasi imagine that it's an investigation. Una, pinapakinggan ko, and then lately, the chairman of the committee, Bato de la Rosa, already concluded the veracity and the authenticity of the documents, na yung PIDEA leaks na yun daw ay authentic according kay Bato de la Rosa. But what I am thinking of, because Senator de la Rosa said that he was an investigator. Alam naman natin yan dahil dati siyang police, and not an ordinary police but became the chief PNP. At the same time, he said and he claimed that he was stopped on his schooling before in the Federal Bureau of Investigation schooling. That is according to him. Pero ang tanong ko, bakit siya nag-conclude wherein it's just a photo that has been scattered in the net, okay, about that pre-ops document and whatsoever. At hindi pa naman niya nahawakan yung document. And he already concluded that document was authentic. Okay, dapat ang kanyang word dapat allegedly, because picture lang naman yun eh. And I agree with some opinions. It is very delicate and very dangerous nowadays to believe immediately to documents that we can see, including videos, because of the AI. Alam naman natin siguro what AI can do nowadays, di ba? That it can fabricate many things. So, at yung another observation is when the resource person, Mr. Morales, medyo napipindaw na to the rescue si Bato de la Rosa, na is giving guiding questions, no? And it's the same scenario if you can recall the hearing, another hearing of public safety and order, wherein Senator Rapi Tulfo walked out because of this doing of the chairman Bato de la Rosa. Pag napipindaw na yung police, ayan na, sisingit siya as the chairman at magbibigay ng guiding questions, makakahinga na naman yung kanyang resource person. So, nagkakaroon talaga ng bias. But on this hearing, it is obvious that there is a political bias. Well, I don't know with your opinion, no? But for me, opinion ko lang. Okay, so maraming salamat po at sa mga susunod na araw. Thank you.